Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today we have a beautiful box from Kemi Scarves.
Welcome lovelies. Well, it's always scarf weather in my book, but particularly autumn.
Yeah.
It's like when you want that little something around your neck, and we've got I haven't seen them, but I'm peeking, and we've got a huge collection of gorgeous scarves coming our way, your way.
Yeah, the quality of Kemi Scarves are really amazing. That's why we're so drawn to the line, and the colors.
The colors.
Texture.
Yeah, everything.
They're so beautiful.
It has to feel nice against your skin.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
So I can't believe you haven't noticed, but do you see what I'm wearing?
Oh my God, they look amazing on you.
I know.
Tessa!
I know! Look ladies,
at
I'm wearing
you.
pants.
Hallelujah! Let's call the paper.
I know.
Oh
they
my
feel
goodness.
so good.
Oh, aren't they fantastic?
I love these. Yeah. Look at how cool they are.
They're amazingly cool.
I know. We made these ladies. They're so cool. They're great.
It's fantastic. It's palmty, beautiful palmty.
Yeah.
And then this really awesome texture taffeta.
Speaking of texture.
And the knit waistband is the cat's meow.
So comfy. Yeah. And then I have on the Harriet sweater from Lousje and Bean that comes with the scarf.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I thought,
beautiful.
Isn't the gold fun against it?
Yeah, really nice styling.
Ziska, Ziska, Ziska.
But this blue is a nice color on you.
Do you like it?
Yeah. It's actually nicer than black. Did I dare say?
We didn't make these in black. It takes me all of my might to not make everything in black.
Well, you're doing a good job.
Because I'm always like, I want one, but I will only take it if it's in black. So maybe I should.
You should.
I'm such a creature of
not?
habit. I know, and I love how short this is, like that. You know, that floodlight. I did pull them really high up. They're high, but you can have them down a bit more. But no, they're amazing.
And you've got lots of little booties, or a few.
No, they're cool. A few. Yeah, but you look great too in Lousje and Bean. Beautiful.
Black ripped tank top, mustard linen shirt, Lousje and Bean.
All
Lousje and Bean.
Yeah.
Oh, and you're all Lousje and Bean.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh my God. So funny.
Wow. Great. This is a great shirt, as a lot of you know, because you purchased it. Nice sculpted slits, pockets, beautiful color, great cuffs, big cuffs, and a really nice weight of linen. Substantial.
Yeah.
So we made it in this mustard and white, and it's a keeper for sure.
Yeah. And Siriglio jewelry to pop it up.
Yes.
Yeah. Love. Ring.
No necklace, because this is like a lot, right? You don't want to overdo it.
No, it looks great.
Yeah.
Fabulous. Okay, ladies, let's get at it because we have lots of scarves to go through here. You're just looking away.
I can't wait.
I know.
I can't wait.
First of all, look just even.
Look at that with your sweater, Tessa.
I know.
Oh my.
But watch how beautiful. It just gets more and more pretty.
Oh, I like the shape too. It's a long one.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kemi, they look at that.
I know, chartreuse with like
and then
orangey.
this, imagine this with denim, with jeans.
Yeah, super cool.
Oh, super cool. And the feel?
Yeah, feels amazing. 100% wool, dry clean only, made in India.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. Oh, these are really cute. I thought you would like these. So these are wool scarves as well, and then they have little... yeah, look at how pretty.
The little blinky.
Yeah, so if you're like an event even, You can wear it as a pashmina shawl over your shoulders.
Totally.
But just every day as well, for sure. But it's just lovely how they've done this with the little silver embellishment on it.
Yeah, how cute.
I know, and look at the quality of this.
Yeah,
like, it's
beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Oh, this is adorable. Oatmeal?
Yeah.
Great.
Beautiful.
Great buy.
This guy, the texture of this is so fun.
Oh my
It's like a little herringbone, and then they've dyed it. They have a double dye. They do that, teal into black.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful.
Wow, look at this.
I know.
This could be your winter coat scarf, a light winter coat scarf.
Yeah.
And look at how all the colors show so beautifully.
And it's such a rich color, that teal. I just love it.
Gorgeous.
And then lightening it up a little bit here.
Oh, that is interesting, Tessa.
I know. Look at how
Oh,
cool
I like that.
I
This is
know.
very architectural. I don't know why.
this is. Yeah, looks
That
like all
comes
little
to mind.
rugs too.
Or like a little Persian carpet.
Yeah.
Oh,
Isn't
yeah.
that beautiful?
Beautiful.
And beautiful end, like the...
Always, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
gorgeous.
The fringe.
Yeah,
But this
again,
is
made in India.
beautiful subdued colors. Wow.
yeah.
Oh,
They
love.
do beautiful work. Hey?
Oh,
So beautiful. Okay, here's this guy's fun. Artsy, fun, fresh. All I see is turquoise fuchsia. It just
yeah.
makes me
Orange,
so happy.
Yeah.
And navy,
Yeah.
navy background.
Oh my gosh.
Some black in there. Oh my God. And this is the paper.
Yeah, the paperweight.
wool. Yeah. So it's very fine,
my.
thin wool. Gorgeous. I know.
Oh, I love, love, love,
I
love.
know. It's so beautiful.
Look at this against your sweater.
I
Well,
know.
anything against your sweater is
I should put
just
it on.
popping. Yeah, put it on.
Oh, we just love our scarves. Hey?
Yeah, we get very excited about
we
scarves.
do. And we just wrap, wrap, wrap.
Wrap.
I mean, there's so many scarf tutorials out there, but honestly, ladies, the best
It's true.
is just
Yeah.
wrap and tuck, wrap and tuck.
Yeah, exactly.
And you can play with how, substantial
The
you
colors you want
want.
to show.
But these paper wool ones, like, look how,
How fine.
small it turns.
it's a
in,
big scarf and
Yeah.
it turns into a...
This one, look at this purple on the end. It's like a denim purple. It's so gorgeous.
Oh my.
I had a hard time choosing
Tessa,
this season, but look at
be
those.
still my heart.
colors.
This is so gorgeous.
I know.
This purple.
So fabulous.
And then the purple is the border.
The border,
too.
yeah.
Oh, this is stunning.
I know. It's so beautiful.
Oh.
We always carry the paper wool, it's called. So we brought it in an ivory. Look at how delicate it is.
God, it's like gauzy.
I know. And it's a
These
substantial scarf.
These are the big ones, yeah. Because when you put it together, it's so...
Yeah, it's going to be nice and fine.
Yeah.
But you can also wear it as a pashmina shawl. These would
Yeah.
be great for traveling too, ladies.
Yeah.
If you're
And
traveling.
it will
then-
add a little bit of warmth for you.
Yeah.
Right.
And then this, which I think I need to.
Yeah.
The black again, just classic, right? But
yeah. Well,
the
for
quality
sure.
of this is so beautiful. And I don't love wool. It sort of sometimes irritates my skin.
Yeah, you're
but
sensitive
this
to it.
Will not. This is
Nothing
no.
at all. No.
It's so fabulous. So, and then I'm going to save my favorite for last, but this is interesting. Now, they call this a runner. And then I was thinking you could actually use it as a table runner
Yeah,
as well if you
yeah.
want. But the texture of it, I
Oh.
thought you would absolutely love this.
Oh,
But
Tessa.
look at that.
This is out of my hippie days.
I know, but
Oh,
it's like,
I love,
it's so
love, love.
beautiful.
It's this seersucker. It feels with stretch.
Yeah, I'm trying
Oh,
to
it's
see the content.
beautiful.
I know, it's absolutely gorgeous. Here we go. Let's see if I can read it. Oh, wool and lycra, so 5% lycra. Yeah, it's absolutely
it's
stunning.
gorgeous. Yeah. So I wonder how that is as a scarf. Very nice too.
Yeah, absolutely.
Very
and bring it
nice.
into your
Look
coat.
at
look
this.
Look at that. Fabulous, Mom. Even with the mustard, it picks it up.
My
Gorgeous.
goodness.
Okay, so my favorite is last. It's going to
Oh.
make you really happy.
I can't wait.
All right, so this is also paper wool, but look at the colors.
Oh,
This is like, I could just have
Tessa.
this,
Oh.
look at it every morning and smile.
And be happy.
Oh my God, it's so
Oh,
fabulous.
man, oh man.
I know. Chartreuse and fuchsia and
Orange and
Orange
bright
and
green. Oh,
blue.
look at all the
It's gorgeous.
fuchsia. I'm gonna put it on.
look at that on the mustard too.
Yeah?
Oh, fabulous.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That could be that chameleon scarf that would go with everything.
Everything. Oh my God. You know, I have a few oldies, that I've had a few for a few years.
Yeah.
And I still pull them out and I would never put them away or,
No.
you know. I've had a few friends saying, do you still wear that one? Because I really like that one. I say, yes, sorry, I do. Oh, fantastic.
All right, ladies.
Fabulous.
Well, this was our unboxing of Kemi Scarves. They are in the boutique today. If you have any questions, please let us know. They're fabulous. They really are.
Okay, I
And
hope
watch-
you're as excited.
Yeah, as we are.
As
And
the
watch out
scarf ladies.
tomorrow. Yeah, we have the dog walking sweaters, I believe. You'll be here.
I'll be here.
Yeah, Lucia's going to
Yeah.
style them up. 5 new colors.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, have an amazing day. We'll see you next time.
As always, keep on smiling.